We're going to be making some lasagna bites here. And the ingredients I have is some cottage cheese. And I've got these wonton wrappers. So we'll be using that instead of lasagna noodles. Some ragu sauce, and I probably won't be using all of that. I'll probably save it for another meal because that's a big jar of ragu sauce. And some ground beef here. And some mozzarella shredded cheese. And I'm sure we're probably putting a few little spices in too. So I got a muffin pan here, and I've sprayed inside each one of the muffin holes. You can use anything that you want, but I just use this butter flavored spray here. So we're going to use this for the wonton wrappers. Okay, so I have the wonton wrappers in here in each little muffin hole. So now I'm just going to fill them up inside. One of the ingredients is we're cooking the ground beef right now. So we're drowning the ground beef now. So I put a tablespoon and a half of ragu sauce in each one of these cups. And I've actually got another muffin pan that I've got filled too. So I actually just had enough of the wontons to make 24 of these. So this is just the first one I'm making here. So next will be our next topping that we're going to put in. Okay, so we just put the ground beef in. And you can put these toppings any way that you want to. It don't have to be this specific way. And you can actually add other toppings inside if you want as well, whatever you prefer. So I had a small can of mushrooms, and I just decided to put a couple little mushrooms in each one of these cups. You don't have to do this, but I just chose to do it because I just love mushrooms. And I actually sprinkled a little bit of onion powder in there as well. Like I said, you could put whatever you want, whatever you like in your cups. So I put some cottage cheese in each one of these cups here. And you could put whatever you want. There's all different types of cheeses, but I just love cottage cheese. And so the last thing we're going to put on it is mozzarella cheese on top. So I put the mozzarella cheese here on top. So next what I'm going to do is put the muffin pans in the oven and probably cook them on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're done. So the lasagna mini muffins are done here, as you can see. They look very good. And I got one over here too that I also made, had them in the oven in the same time. So I was going to tell you what you can do with these. You can actually eat them for lunch or dinner, and you can actually put them in a Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer or the refrigerator, and you can actually take them to work with you for lunch. You know, you just pack them up and just heat them up in the microwave, and they're very tasty. So we're actually going to eat these for dinner, and I'm sure we'll have some left over for lunch or something. Yep, this is what it looks like. And you can use those wontons for a lot of different things. You don't necessarily have to use them in the muffin pan. You can actually put other stuffing in them and put them in a soup, or you can actually fry them, you know, because a lot of people use it for Chinese food. So a lot of different things that you can do with them. And I think there's only like, I think there's only 3 carbs per wonton, you know, so they're not too terribly full of sugar or anything like that. So they're actually pretty good to use to make meals and appetizers and stuff like that. But here it is. So here are the lasagna muffin bites here. Don't those look yummy and good? Alright, so that's pretty much the end of the video. So we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos. Thanks so much. Take care.